Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Jeff in Florida on his Cobra 142 GTL. Jeff got you all fixed up, man. Tune alignment, as well as you wanted a dial watt put on it. We got it right here on the SWR cow button. Show you what we got. Oh, repair was on the final. We've got your 1969 right there. It was dead in the water. It's got an HG 1969 in it now. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Just a hair over half a watt all the way down. 5.5 all the way up. Roll it back down. Hello, 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 hello. 1 2 1 2 audio. About 18 PEP. I'll show you average power swing. Oh, so about what, 7.5 bird right there. All right, Jeff, it's ready to come back to the Sunshine State. I appreciate it. Appreciate your patience, and hope you really enjoy this radio from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.